Wanton murder, rape, and violence are being committed against the people to pacify them. We had said, and we had said that we will not go to court. But with the raid on civil society and determination to silence all voices that could seek legal redress, like the AFRICOG and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, we have now decided to move to the Supreme Court and lay before the world the making of lay before the world the making of a computer-generated leadership. By going and hot afternoon on Tuesday, August 8th, 2017, mothers with their children tied on their backs, the sick, people with disabilities, old and young, a chance to be heard. Furthermore, we act on behalf of those who have been blocked from seeking redress in courts, such as the sustained clampdown on the civil society that have attempted to go to court. NASA wants to show the world what transpired in the fraud. Even as we go to court, we have decided to move to the Supreme Court, despite the history and other recent circumstances. In similar circumstances, in 2013, we moved to the Supreme Court to challenge the declaration by IBC of Uhuru as president-elect. The manner in which the court handled that petition was a travesty of justice. The court decided all interim applications in favor of Mr. Kenyatta. The court also allowed the counter-petition filed in favor of Kenyatta, but disallowed the two petitions against him. The court can use this chance to redeem itself, or like in 2013, it can compound the problems we face as a country. We will show how they shamelessly cooked the results from the non-existent polling stations and fake and gazetted presiding and returning officers. They have figures from non-existent forms 34As and 34Bs. They scrambled to manufacture such forms, switched vote numbers, and how they openly swindled to reach to determine consistent vote numbers. They cooked numbers. At this moment in time, we also remember the young man, Chris Musando, who became a sacrificial lamb so that Jubilee could direct itself back to power. But we say that Kenya is definitely not too large for all of us to ensure that anyone who wins the people's votes and not the loser is declared president. This is just the beginning. We will not accept and move on. End of statement. End of statement. Kwa Kiswahili, huzuni mingi wakati huu. Kuna kilio pembe zote za taifa letu kwa yale ambayo yamefanyika kwa uchaguzi ambao ulifanya siku ya Jumanne wiki iliyopita. Wengi wa Kenya walijitokeza kwa wingi zaidi kupiga kura.